In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create direct download links with Google Drive. This simple guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline the process of sharing files. Whether you're a teacher sharing with students, a team leader coordinating with your team, or just someone who loves the idea of direct file access, this tutorial is made for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this. First, you need to navigate your web browser to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into your Google account by checking that your profile icon appears in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're assured you're in the right account, locate the file you wish to create a direct download link for. If it's buried in your drive, consider using the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Once located, right-click on the file. You'll see several options. From this menu, choose Get Link. In the pop-up that appears, you'll notice it typically defaults to Restricted, meaning only specific people have access. To change this, click on the drop-down box that shows Restricted and select Anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone you share this link with to view and download the file. Before we proceed further, ensure you click on the Copy Link button to have the file URL copied to your clipboard. Now, here's where the transformation happens. The link you copied needs a minor tweak to become a direct download link. Open a new tab in your browser and paste the copied link into the address bar. You'll spot a section within the URL that says Open. Highlight that word and replace it with UC. This change essentially alters the function of the link, transitioning it from a view-only link to a direct download link. Once you've made this replacement, recopy the entire newly edited link from the address bar. You now have in your possession a direct download link that you can share. Anyone who clicks it will initiate an immediate download of the file, bypassing the Google Drive preview screen entirely. A quick tip: it's always good to test the link yourself before distributing it widely. Just open a new tab, paste your edited link, and press Enter. If everything is correct, the download should begin instantly. Testing ensures that the link works as intended and provides a seamless experience for your recipient. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you can create direct download links that facilitate efficient file sharing, saving time for both you and the recipient. This method not only enhances productivity but also improves accessibility for those you're sharing files with. Happy sharing, and thank you for watching this guide on how to create direct download links with Google Drive.